Hello everyone and welcome to our first video tutorial for fantasy dies. We're super thrilled and excited to be creating for their team and inspiring you all with our creations using their dies and chipboards. Today we decided to create some hexagonal ATC coins. So for this we're using our mini hexagonal gel press. We're using the fantasy dies to begin with, these two patterns. All the codes will be listed in the description box for you to know. So we've already cut out some pieces of paper using these two dies that we'd be adding later on as a focal but also on the background. Now to begin with, the first step is to spread some acrylic paint on our gel press plate. So we're using a darker maroon color and a very yellow orange and spreading it onto our plate with a brayer. Next, just sticking down the dies that we've cut and lifting the paint on a scrap piece of paper. Lift off the dies and using a very light yellow, rub on the plate and lift this impression on a fresh piece of paper. So with that done, we have a background ready. We've made two such backgrounds and now we're using a stencil and some modeling paste to add another layer of texture onto our background. With that dry, we're going to go in with another stencil and transparent gel medium and use a black embossing powder to heat set the stenciling that we've just completed. So that brings in a pop of black along with the white onto the background of our coins. Next is time to add some background stamping. So very randomly with black ink, we've just added some stamping and distressed the edges of our coins with a bronze color ink. So these are the chalk inks that we've used to distress our edges. With our background now done, all we have to do is begin layering our focal elements. So for this, we're using some cheesecloth, some pieces of lace like lace flowers, and a lot of die cuts using fantasy dies. So some of the die cuts are the ones that are colored from our gel plate, and some are just white leaves and fillers to bring about our focal and our layering. We usually die cut a few leaves and fillers and just store them. So when we're creating a project, we can just pull out our stash and assemble everything. We're using tacky glue to stick down all our elements. Once we're happy with the layering, we just add some ready flowers to further enhance the texture, and we complete the coins with a word as a title for them. So that's our tutorial for today. We really hope we've inspired you, and until our next time, take care and bye bye.